Welcome back to Loving Living Local. Dr. Brienne Loy, Regional Medical Director at Partners in Primary Care, is here with us today to talk about the new senior-focused primary care group. She's giving us helpful tips on ways to stay healthy during the holidays. Dr. Loy, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me. Glad to be here.
Well, let's talk about how we can stay healthy during the holidays when we are at a time of overindulgence, let's say.
Yeah, I was going to say, I think that, the holidays are going to be a little tricky this year. You know, we've had an interesting year in 2020 with COVID, and a lot of, seniors and patients and people around the world are just really struggling. And so we know that holidays is a time that we all want to be with family and friends and food. And so I think if we go into the holidays, we really need to think about how to stay safe. The most important thing, unfortunately, is still to just stay home. While we want to be with our families, we need to be thoughtful about who we're with and what we're doing. So if you do have to get out or need to be or want to be around your family, it's really important to continue with those CDC guidelines around washing your hands, wearing your mask, and social distancing.
For sure, but even though we're staying home and staying safe, that doesn't mean that you have to stay cooped up inside and not being healthy. You can get out and exercise still and, socially distanced walks, right?
Absolutely. I was going to say, if you have to get together, the CDC really recommends getting together outdoors in small gatherings. I was going to say, I think we all want to be around our family, and doing things outside is certainly the way to do that. If we do travel to see family and friends, driving instead of flying, try to do those road trips and, stay safe on the road, but, try to stay out of those busy airports. And the most important thing is if you're feeling sick, is to stay home and stay away from people. There's lots and lots of crazy illnesses going around this time of year. It's also influenza season and a lot of other viruses. So even though it may or may not be COVID, and, we still want to keep all of our loved ones and friends safe.
Absolutely. We want everyone to be happy, healthy this holiday season. So for more information on health tips, you can call 318-414-5681 or visit seniorfocusedlouisiana.com to become a patient and find more info. There's more Loving Living Local coming up after the break.